450 horsepower, 500 pound-feet of torque, one of the most feared muscle cars ever built. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454 LS6. The year was 1970. America was deep in the golden age of horsepower. Manufacturers were locked in a battle unlike anything the automotive world had ever seen. Every company wanted the fastest car. Every engineer wanted the biggest engine. Every enthusiast wanted more power. And then Chevrolet unleashed a monster, not just another muscle car, not just another big block, but a machine that would become one of the most legendary performance cars ever to roll off an American assembly line. This is the story of the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454 LS6, a car so powerful, so respected, and so feared that more than 5 decades later, it remains one of the most desirable muscle cars in existence. The first thing that captures your attention is its stance, low, wide. Aggressive, every angle of the Chevelle SS seems designed with one purpose in mind: domination. The long hood stretches endlessly toward the horizon, while the muscular rear quarters hint at the incredible power waiting underneath. The iconic dual sport mirrors, the bold SS badging, the unmistakable cowl induction hood. Everything about this machine announces that it means business. But the real magic begins when that hood opens. Nestled inside is one of the most legendary engines Chevrolet ever created, the LS6 454 cubic inch V8, an engine that represented the absolute peak of General Motors' performance during the muscle car era. Factory rated at an astonishing 450 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque, the LS6 wasn't simply powerful, it was outrageous. For its time, these numbers were almost unbelievable. The massive 7 4-liter big block featured a forged steel crankshaft, forged pistons, 4-bolt main block, high-performance cylinder heads, a solid lifter camshaft, and an aluminum intake manifold feeding a Holley 800 CFM 4-barrel carburetor. Every component was engineered for one purpose: max action's performance. Many enthusiasts and historians believe Chevrolet intentionally underrated the engine's actual output. Some estimates place true horsepower figures well above 500 horsepower. Whether officially rated or not, one thing was clear: the LS6 was a beast. Turn the key, the starter spins, then suddenly the massive V8 erupts to life. The deep rumble shakes the ground. The exhaust note isn't merely sound, it's a warning. A declaration, a promise of violence waiting beneath your right foot. As the idle settles into its unmistakable rhythm, you instantly understand why this car became a legend. Nothing sounds quite like an LS6. Slide behind the wheel, and you're transported back to a time when muscle cars ruled the streets. The interior is simple, purposeful, focuses entirely on the driving experience. Gauges sit directly in front of the driver, the shifter waits patiently for action, and every inch of the cockpit reminds you that this machine was built before electronic driver aids, traction control systems, and computer-managed performance. This was raw American power, pure and unfiltered. Now imagine pulling onto an empty stretch of pavement. The transmission engages. Whether equipped with the legendary M22 Rock Crusher 4-speed manual or the turbo hydromatic automatic, the result is the same. Press the throttle, the nose rises, the rear tires struggle for grip, and the world begins to blur. The LS6 launches with relentless force. Zell to 60 miles per hour arrives in roughly 6 seconds. The quarter mile disappears in the low 13-second range. For 1970, these numbers were extraordinary. This wasn't merely fast, this was supercar territory for its era, and perhaps the most incredible part is how effortlessly it delivers its power. The massive torque curve means acceleration is available at virtually any speed. You don't need to rev the engine to the sky. The LS6 simply shoves the car forward with overwhelming authority. Every stoplight becomes an event, every highway on-ramp becomes a memory, every drive becomes an experience. But performance alone isn't what made the Chevelle LS6 legendary. Rarity played a major role as well. Only a limited number of LS6 equipped Chevelles were produced during the 1970 model year. Today, surviving examples are among the most sought-after muscle cars in the world. Collectors spend years searching for authentic, documented, matching numbers LS6 cars. Why? Because owning one is like owning a piece of automotive history, a moment frozen in time. A symbol of an era that may never be repeated, when the horsepower wars reached their absolute peak, when engineers were given freedom to build outrageous machines, when fuel economy wasn't the priority. When performance ruled everything, the 1970 Chevelle SS 454 LS6 stands as the ultimate expression of that philosophy, and that's exactly why values continue climbing. Exceptional examples regularly command hundreds of thousands of dollars at major auctions. Matching numbers cars with original documentation can bring astonishing prices. Rare convertibles have crossed well beyond the $500,000 mark, yet for many collectors, the value isn't measured in dollars, it's measured in emotion. Because this car represents something larger than transportation, it represents freedom, power, rebellion, and the spirit of American performance. More than 50 years after its debut, the LS6 continues to inspire enthusiasts around the globe. It remains a benchmark by which muscle cars are judged, a legend that refuses to fade, a machine that still commands respect every time it appears. Because when people hear the words Chevelle SS 454 LS6, they know exactly what they're looking at. Not just another classic car, not just another muscle car, but one of the greatest American performance machines ever created, a thunderous symbol of horsepower, a masterpiece of engineering, and a true king of the muscle car era, the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454 LS6. 450 horsepower, 500 pound-feet of torque, unlimited legend, and even today, its roar still echoes through automotive history.